Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create an effective title slide for your PowerPoint presentation using Morph Transition. So let's start the video. First, we will start by adding title text. Write World here. Center it on the slide, change the font and increase the font size so that it's clearly visible for the zoom effect later. Select circle from shape, cover the empty space. Let's add different shape to get the better look. Add text box here. Write Beautiful Universe. Change the font. Go to character spacing, click on more spacing, type 38, then enter and center your content. Select all. Go to shape format. Select union from merge shape. Select rectangle shape. Drag it. Send to back. Select both. Select subtract from merge shape. Shape outline, make it no outline. Select color from shape fill. Next, also use an image that matches the theme of the presentation. This will make the zoom effect look more professional and attractive. Go back to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device. Then send to back. Now, right click and select Duplicate the slide. Zoom out the slide. Select the shape and enlarge it to create a zoom in effect. Now let's apply the Morph Transition. Go to the Transition tab and apply the Morph Transition. Go to the Timing section and set the duration to about 3-4 seconds to slowly zoom. Now go to the first slide and click on Slideshow. And that's it. You have created a dynamic title slide with a zoom effect using Morph Transition in PowerPoint. This technique is great for giving your presentation a professional touch right from the start. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.